Today we are going to talk about how to distribute parent access codes for students on Schoology. So after you're logged into Schoology, you should be looking at the course dashboard as you can see here. And what you'd like to do once you're here is navigate to the course for which you'd like to distribute parent access codes. I'm going to just jump into this Schoology Sandbox course, and then I'm going to go directly to the members section. So what will happen is the roster will populate, and then if you look over here in this green box to the right, there's a small link that says parent access codes. Let's go ahead and click that. And what will happen is you will get a dialog box asking you to download a CSV file, which is basically a spreadsheet file which will contain parent access codes for every student in your class. So I'm going to go ahead and click download on this. And once I open that CSV file, you can see all of my students are populated here. So in this column, every value here is unique to the student. So just as an example, let's say that Lindsay's mom really wants to monitor her progress in her Schoology courses and she'd like parent access. So what I can do here is make sure that I'm in the row that Lindsay is populated in, and then I'm going to follow down this parent access code and simply copy that value. So I can right click, click copy, and then from there I could email that code to Lindsay's mom. And if you'd like to do this en masse for all parents kind of proactively at the beginning of your course, please let me know because we can do that with what's called a mail merge. I'd be happy to help you set that up. So if you have any questions or comments or need any one-on-one assistance with Schoology, my email is btaylor@candorcs.org. Phone number for calls or texts is 607-444-5707, or you can tweet to me at @senior_Taylor. Thank you so much for watching. Stay well, and I'll see you soon.